Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the battery temperature for XIAOMI 12T. And to do this we'll need to download a new app for this device, so click and open Google Play Store and right here click on the search. Find the app called Ampere. It's this one right here and click on the install. When it's ready, hit the open, close everything and click on OK. Right here in the first display you'll be able to see the temperature right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.